Our question to talk about the topic, the main topic. What is the main topic? What is the main topic that we're doing here in this class? What are we talking about, Andre?
Solar cooker.
A solar cooker. Perfect. So now I have here a question for you. It says, would you rather use a solar cooker to prepare a meal in the mountains or at the beach? And why? Tell me, what do you prefer? To go to the mountains here or at the beach? Listen. In the mountains, and why? It's very beautiful. Okay, Julian.
Good morning, parents. Welcome to the open class of fifth grade. We hope
And, sorry? Consumer, that's correct.